In this video, we will show you how to make a crosstab in WinCross Executive. We have a few variables that were converted over to components. We'll go ahead and rename our gender component. As well as our income component. And our education component. Next, go to the tabulation menu, click on Crosstabs. Make sure you're on your selected dataset. It should be automatically selected for you if you were just editing with it. Click New. We'll give it a name. Click Create Crosstab. Here we can give our crosstab a title. And we'll add a component. We'll choose education. Next, we'll choose a banner. We'll insert a default total column. And we'll add income. So we have education for our table rows and income for our banner. There are various options that you can set. We'll go ahead and use the defaults. Filters can be applied, as well as using a weight variable. You can also add some filters to your crosstab. We'll go ahead and add a simple filter. And we'll base it off of gender. Significance testing, we'll go ahead and we'll test by all. And we'll take total back out. Save changes. Appearance. This is where you can customize all of the colors, how things will look on the crosstab. We'll go ahead and use the defaults here. Click on Run. And here you have our crosstab results. And the simple filter that we chose is at the top. Simply choose your filter selection and click Refresh. You can clear your filter and refresh again. And for your clients, you can create a private link. You can password protect it if you wish. And they can take a look at your crosstab results without even needing a WinCross Executive account. And this is how you create a crosstab in WinCross Executive. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you next time.